Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Label Art. Today I gonna show you how to make visiting card or business card. So let's get started. As usual, I take a blank page. That size is 3.5 by 2 inch. This is a standard size. Then next I put the black color through color overlay because I will use this page as a back side, and exactly same things like this I will use as a font size. Any visiting card has two sides, front and back. Next, now I make a page equal from both sides, so which is also the image size if divided by 2 is half. That's I go to the view option and click the new guideline and add the margin. I said this in the previous videos and you all are known. Next I take a PNG image. I use this as a texture form and I go to several embers and I set the point for some highlight this thing. And see, this video is more lengthy, so we have first forward some part. So guys, please watch the carefully every part and watch the video till end and let me know how to win for this video. And if you like this video, please like and subscribe. Okay, next, in this texture I added a layer marks and erase the side portion lightly. Okay, guys, see, now the texture look is quite different. Nice. Then reduce the opacity. Now go to the next part. I take a shape, this shape hexagon. Then I increase the proportionally to side of the shape through shift hold and add the gradient, adjust the effect. You choose another color as you like. Next I take another triangle shape and equally rotate. It will also be extend in the same way. Shift hold and set the triangle proportionally in the margin, and also the point of the angles means triangle and another shape is equally set the margin. In this card I use variety of red shade in every step. I use brighter this shade. See, firstly I use blackish red for first shape, but in the another shape I use brighter red color. And copy the triangle and go to the color overlay and take a lighter shade color. See, I take a lighter shade color. Okay, and every triangle shape increase proportionally through shift hold and adjust the every angle. Please observe every part carefully, and if you are new in my channel, so please subscribe. I choose red color. When you do this type of work, you choose another color as your choice. And when you're doing the work, you're doing same way, like this, and it's look like 3D look. Okay, now I transform the whole group to the font page and reverse the all gradient because the whole design are rotate, but gradient or color do not change automatically. So reverse the all thing and set and adjust the all things. The front page of the business card have a company name and company logo and QR code. So I put the company logo and company name temporarily and adjust the gradient for better looking. Yes, I think I add another shape in the corner, so I draw shape through pen tool for better looking. Done. Next, now I go to the back side. All the other information put the back side. In the font size of card have company logo and company name and QR code. And back side of the card have whose card we are making, his name, designation, and his all other information. If you want this PhD file, please check my description box and you also freely download this PHP file. This is very easy, so nothing more explained by me. You are all understand. So watch the video till end, and if you like this video, so definitely like, share, and subscribe to the end. Remember, always decorate very simply, like professionally, so it's look elegant and very attractive. So take a shape and just draw. See. Next, every PNG icon put in the shape and change the color through color overlay, and adjust the all thing. And write the information as per the required. Guys, please like, share, and comment, and subscribe my channel. Almost is done. I did the QR code, and back side and front side is ready. And thank you for watching.
And